and today I've got a new tip for you if you are having problems with writing your melodies. Hi everybody and welcome back on my channel. DJ Mathon is in the house. It's about my producing, my DJing and my life. There's a few simple ways. Push Control and then the left mouse. Choose Create Pattern Region. And what this does, it's very simple. Here are all the notes in the accord you select up here. And for example, you can now play around with those. And I've already have something. And you can go extreme, of course. You can push all those. I just do something so you can see what I mean. Go up here and select Convert to MIDI. I converted now to a MIDI region, as you can see, and for the tutorial I'm gonna short this one. So we have everything in the total view. And what we now can do is go to MIDI transform. Sorry. What we now do is we're gonna major. So we selected here our accord, quantize, and just checking if it's working what I want to do. And now we can choose. Now we can play around with this menu, MIDI transformers, and you can do half speed, humanize, reverse pitch, and you can play around with all kinds of things. I often try this one, randomize pitch, and then it says from 1C till 5C. That's too much. I go from 2C till 3C, like that, and then try it out. And I've got I don't like that one, so we're gonna do another one. Maybe the sound is not perfect for it. It just so you can play around with the randomized stuff. You have to select the accord here because otherwise it goes out of tune. So it selects other notes than you want to. So to stay in the accord, you choose here which accord that it is. When you select this one, it's now you hear the sound. When you push them off, you don't hear the sound. For me, it's sometimes easy, especially with drums. You can say, okay, I want to delete that one, and that one needs to go there. This one is not necessary. And if you still don't think it's okay, you just go back to it and randomize another time. You also can say, okay, the notes are too short. I wanna have some of these in there. and I'm gonna throw that one away, this one away, and this one is gonna be longer, this one is gonna be longer, this one away, like that. And that's a very simple, easy way to come up with very nice melodies. Sometimes it works perfect, sometimes it doesn't work. So it's a little bit with trial and error, of course. And you can try to do half speed. And you can change a lot of settings here, but let's try it. And now we have this. Okay, I like this one more, then I can go with the pitch. And we push another one. I think that one is working, and then you can go with... So if you like this quick video about making melodies on an easy way, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, push the notification bell, and I hope to see you back tomorrow. Enjoy!